Hello everybody, it's me Miles. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes using Johnson's Baby Shampoo. For those who are following me here on YouTube, I always mention Johnson's Baby Shampoo to clean my makeup brushes. This side is for small brushes and this side is for big brushes. Same process. When washing double-ended brushes like this, try your best to avoid getting the ferrule wet as much as possible. This will help prevent the brush from loosening or getting damaged easily. Make sure guys na hindi mababasa ang ferrule. recommend using Johnson's Baby Shampoo and dishwashing liquid to clean makeup brushes. Baby shampoo is gentle enough to keep bristles soft and safe, while dishwashing liquid effectively removes heavy makeup and dirt. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful or informative, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you also use baby shampoo to clean your brushes or if you have other favorite products. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!